The Ministry of Fisheries has been allocated a total budget of 28.4 million this year to support aquaculture development, seaweed farming, pearl oyster development, offshore fisheries management, construction of ice machines in Vanua Malawi and Lebuka, construction of fishery stations in Zawaro, Koro, and Matakunea, and preparatory works for Natovi Fishery Station. A new allocation of 5 million has been provided for the Tuna Development Fund. This initiative will support Fiji's tuna industry during periods of high operating costs and market uncertainty, helping to maintain fishing operations, protect employment, as well as sustain our export earnings.